In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with selling on eBay UK. Whether you're decluttering your home, turning a hobby into extra cash, or even starting a small business, eBay offers a great platform to reach a broad audience. So let's dive right in and get your seller journey started. First things first, open up your Chrome browser and head over to ebay.co.uk. Once you're there, look for the register button near the top of the page. If you're new to eBay, you'll need to create an account. This is a pretty straightforward process. Just fill in the required details like your name and email, and then set a password that's secure and easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. And if you're already an existing user, simply go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, navigate towards the upper portion of the home page and find the tab that says Sell. Go ahead and click on Sell. This will take you to a section where you can select Start Selling. This is essentially your gateway to listing items and reaching potential buyers. Once you click Start Selling, eBay will guide you through several prompts to set up your seller account. It's important here to provide all the necessary seller information, which will include details such as your payment method and shipping preferences. This is crucial because it dictates how you'll receive payment once your item sells and how buyers can expect to receive their purchases. Take your time here. Accuracy ensures a smooth selling process and helps build your credibility as a seller. Completed all that? It's possible that eBay might ask you to verify your identity. This step is sometimes required to secure transactions and foster a trustworthy selling environment for both buyers and sellers. If prompted, follow the instructions eBay provides. These usually involve confirming some personal information. Finally, you've reached the exciting part, beginning to list your items for sale. When listing an item, be descriptive. Start with a clear, concise title. Use keywords that a buyer might search for. Next, write a detailed description. Include any features, dimensions, possible flaws, and why someone would love your item. Photos are incredibly important, so include several clear and well-lit images from different angles to give potential buyers the best view of what you're offering. And there you have it. You've officially started your journey as an eBay seller. Remember, the key to selling on eBay is perseverance and learning from each experience. As you gain more reviews and improve your listings, you'll fine-tune your strategy and continue to attract more buyers. If you have any questions or want more tips on optimizing your listings, feel free to drop them